Everybody, and welcome. The big news today right here. Is this legitimate? Is it not? We don't know. It's still a rumor. According to a YouTuber named SpawnWave, he got this sent to him from a legitimate source, and he cross-checked it with another somewhat legitimate source, and so we're going with it. With that said, my video is going to be a little different, and I'm going to try to answer as many questions as I can in as many short of time to not drag it out. So here are all the official pictures that were sent out. I'll be rotating them here. We have a test unit. Supposedly this is what it's going to look like. So unlike the SNES Classic and the NES Classic, this console comes with a screen. It's basically a really, really small bar top. So the price is probably going to be a little higher, but nobody knows for sure. The guess was around $100 to $150. It also does, as you see with the display ports, does have an HDMI and auxiliary out, so you can change the sound out and you can change to an external screen as well. Looks like we're going to get a joystick. It has a little LED halo around it, and knowing them, it's probably going to be a pretty decent joystick. If you don't want the joystick, it does have a port on the side for an external controller as well. The other thing I noticed is it has kind of a marquee on top. I don't know if that lights up or not. It is also rumored that it'll be an ARM processor, so something similar to a Raspberry Pi and what we're seeing with these other mini systems. Now, as far as hackability, especially people on my channel, they're going to want to know, can we hack the thing? Can we add even more games? And what are the games? Well, here's the list of the games over here. Some cool titles: Metal Slugs, the fighter games, some good shoot 'em ups. I think it's going to be a great little list, but the question is, can we hack? Can we add some more? Whatever the case be, I might actually buy one just because, you know, bar tops are awesome. They make a great piece of art, and they also are, you know, no one else is producing one that's mass produced like this. So I'll probably get one because A, I love the Neo Geo game collection, and then B, it's literally a little bar top. Like, how cool is that? You know, it's a totally different experience in my mind from a regular controller. And and then it's probably got some little, I'm sure the speakers aren't that great, but like, I like that bad sound quality, but just good enough for that time period. And then, you know, the joystick and everything, this is nostalgia, like tons of it. So I'm really excited about it. So no release date. These are the photos. We don't know if they're real or not. We do have a game list, not confirmed either. But there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.